Hey guys, Chris from Smile here again with another tips video. So one I get asked, especially by our customers up in the north, is how come my water heater is giving me this sulfury smell on, specifically on the hot side. So what can happen in these tanks, basically, especially if you live more in the north where you have harder water, not even the north, can be anywhere far out from the GTA, you're gonna get harder water as you move further and further. And these areas suffer from this the most. But what can happen is basically all the sediment in your water that is going to continue to refill, it's all eventually just going to sit here at the bottom, and it's just going to fill up a nice gap at the bottom of the tank, just full of sediment, iron, manganese, calcium, all these different things. And what can happen is just these sitting there over time, they are going to begin to produce this odor. So the repair that would need to be done is for us to change the internal anode rod that you can't really see right now. But this rod is like a big magnet that sucks up all the sediment. Eventually it breaks down and needs to be replaced. So if you ever are getting that smell issue, what we would be doing would be replacing that rod, doing a full drain and flush of the tank where we get all minerals out of the tank, and this will remove your sulfury smell for you.